rest and relax 10 years ago for my previous house. So after I got a new house this time around, I come back to rest and relax, mainly for a few reasons. I think number one, the quality of the workmanship and carpentry. I feel that rest and relax is still of much higher quality, and of course there's lifetime warranty. So every time during Chinese New Year, I will call steward and say that, hey, please come and touch up for me, the hinge, all this. So all these are actually free of charge as well. Steward is also very patient towards our needs because I can get very demanding and work out all the time. So he's actually very patient in handling all our queries, questions, and then get the job done on time.